Hey YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. Well, unfortunately, it's only about a week later or so from me putting this pump in, and although it hasn't gone bad, it started making a louder noise. It's not like what I showed you before, but it's close to it. It's already getting ready to go, it kind of sounds like to me. So I don't know if I just got a bad one or what. Like I said, we'd already ordered another one, so we're going to give the Amazon one another shot because we have it here, and we're going to see if we can send that back. This does, admittedly, even though it came off of Amazon, up here it says genuine OEM part. So like I said, they look identical. I mean, color and size and wise and numbers and everything. So I don't know. The first thing we need to do is actually empty the water out. Alright, now that we've emptied that, we gotta pull this out, which yet again, this is where every time you are going to end up with water on your floor. So you got to have a towel ready to go. That pulls out, and this is how you empty out what the goop that you have or whatever's in there. It's clean, so I can put that back in and not worry about it. I just figured while I was down here I might as well do that. Yet again, you got to kind of make your own choices on what kind of tools you want to use. So now the black one is on the top, and the red or brown one is on the bottom. And I'm just gonna set that to the side. And again, careful you don't cut yourself if you have cut the hole like I have. Alright, and there is the pump out with all the screws. So put that to the side. I'm going to stick this one in. Let's see, let's go this way. There's that. This is definitely easier if you have the screw tip that is magnetic, which now I'm regretting not going and grabbing because I just dropped the screw and I don't know exactly where it ended up. I can see it. Alright, I'm going to get the magnetic screw tip. Now, I gotta find all my tools again. Now with a magnetic tip screwdriver, we'll need to get that in there. Right, well, we did a load. Everything seems fine and dry, but it did last time as well. In fact, the pump I just replaced, it was still working. It was still, everything was dry and working fine. It was just already making quite a bit of noise. That's why I took it out and just replaced it with the new one we have. So now we're going to try it again. And the last time we did this, I think I drained all the water out of it before I did it. So it didn't actually make any noise at all. So we were questioning whether or not it was working or not. But it appears to be working, so we're going to try it again and see. Maybe it just doesn't make any noises, which would be nice. The dog's making noise. Yeah, so it's draining right now. I don't know if you heard the water draining in there or not, if you were able to hear that. So it's doing what it's supposed to be doing, but it's even quieter than I think any of them we've had in here have been, because I'm not hearing anything. It's measuring the load now, so everything appears to be working. So if I end this here and don't come back again, you'll know that everything is working again for a while, at least for another 6 months to a year, hopefully, and hopefully longer than that. So there you go, now you know. Thanks for watching Junkworks Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and obviously a master of none. You all have a good one.